Hey guys, aloha! Welcome to Maui Napper. Hey, it's been a little while. Sorry it's taken so long here since the last video. I intended to be more oftener, but, well, life's been a little complicated lately. Been a lot of crazy, brutal stuff and just crazy things in the world. But, just want to let you know I've got several videos in the works. Among them is one on humpback whales, which I think you really like. It's a lot of footage to weed through and all that stuff, which... Anyway, it brings me to this point, and I want to just let you guys know I am planning on doing my videos in a different style than I have been. So I've kind of been doing more of a, I don't know, pseudo-documentary, I don't know how you categorize it, but what I'm figuring on doing is changing my format slightly to more of a vlogger style, where it's kind of filming on the go and trying to do less takes and just incorporate more of an easier lyrismosity-ness about it. Kind of make it more funner. Anyway, you know, whatever. Easier and fun, more fun. I can't not do that. Anyway, I like slaughtering words, but yeah. So it'll help me to get videos out more often, and not to be facing like a chore. So it'd be something easier to get through without as many takes, so much footage to go through, and all of that. And I think we'll all like it. I hope. But anyway, we'll see what happens. So stay tuned, some stuff right on the heels of this that you'll see right away, and let me know what you think. Also, let me know things you'd like to see. There's plenty of stuff in Maui, just amazing things, and I'll bring things to you little bit by little bit. But among that, I wanted to go kind of go smaller in some ways, because sometimes you can do a big production and kind of shotgun a lot of different things, and just do like smaller bites here and there. So besides just some regular bigger videos, some more smaller Maui moments type of things where you just get you know, a few seconds or a minute or two of just some Maui scene and some Maui activity, something like that, but not real involved, just something you can kind of relax with. You know, we watch so many videos that are just like do, and you get stuff where it feeds your attention span of this 2 or 3 seconds or 5 seconds before you're expecting the next take. And I don't know, you know, sometimes it's nice to just kind of change gears and just watch something for 30 seconds or a minute where it's just a fun scene. And anyway, we'll try this out and see what you guys think. I hope you like it. So that is in the works. Also, another big announcement. I hope you like this one. But I have been, I created a Facebook group and have been putting plenty on there. There's lots of activity on there, lots of buzz, lots of commentary, and back and forth with folks. But that one is loaded up on many times on a daily basis, you know, 2 or 3 times throughout the day, where I'm putting a lot of pictures of just Maui scenes and things as I wander through the island and do my thing. So anyway, I think you really like that. So videos take a little longer to produce, obviously, but the pictures and just the comments and stuff like that will be coming on a really regular basis, and have already for, oh, I don't know, a couple of weeks at least. And so there's lots of pictures, lots of comments, and plenty of folks to talk back and forth with. We got a pretty good sense of community going already, so it's kind of fun. So anyway, join me there at Maui Napper on Facebook. And I've also got Instagram I'm doing as well, which kind of just leads you to either Facebook or YouTube. But Facebook and YouTube will be the main one. So Facebook will be, at least at this point, a lot of the communication, a lot of the pictures and stuff, and YouTube will be more of the videos and stuff, because a lot of times YouTube kind of handicaps you unless you reach a certain point. So why wait? Let's just get right to it on Facebook, right? So go to both. Become a member of the group on Facebook and subscribe here on YouTube, and get the best of both worlds, right? So anyway, that ought to do it for now. I just want to catch you up what's going on, and I've got another video right on the heels of this one, so hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you guys here, there, and everywhere. Aloha.